We'll guide you through how to make an automatic bone meal farm in Minecraft. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So to go and do this, you're going to need to have another type of farm. For example, here I've got a sugarcane farm. Super easy to build and we've got a full video on it. And to get the bone meal, we're then going to use a composter, and you can compost all of these different items. As I said, I'm using sugarcane, but you can use other type of items here, and you can see the different percentages at the top. So once you've got a farm for one of the items I just showed there, we can then go and modify it to go and turn it into a bone meal farm. So all of my produce and items go into this chest here. What you need to do is break 4 blocks below the chest, just like so. And then at the bottom, you need to go and place a chest. On top of that chest, you need to go and place a hopper. You'll need to be holding shift while you place it. On top of the hopper, you need to place the composter while holding shift. Finally, place a hopper on top of the composter and the items will move from the farm into the composter, as you can see. And then all you need to do is go and wait, and when the bone meal is ready, it will be in this chest, as you can see. It's that simple, and you can make a ladder to quickly go and get in and out. If you found this useful, then please leave a like.